In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a watermark in Google Docs. If you want to brand a document, mark it as confidential, or simply give it a more polished look, adding a watermark is a quick and useful feature to know. Google Docs makes this fairly simple once you know where to find the option. To get started, open your Google Doc. Make sure you're in the document where you want the watermark to appear, because the watermark will be applied directly to that file. This is helpful if you're working on reports, drafts, internal documents, or any file that needs a visual mark in the background. Once your document is open, go up to the top menu and click on Insert. This menu gives you access to different items you can place inside your document, including images, tables, headers, and page-related features. After clicking Insert, hover over Page Elements. Don't click right away if you don't see the full option yet. Just place your cursor over it and a side menu should appear. This section is where Google Docs groups together features that affect the layout or recurring elements of the page. From that menu, click on Watermark. As soon as you do that, a panel will open on the right-hand side of the screen. This panel is where you'll manage the watermark settings for your document. Now, in the right side panel, click on Select Image. This is the option you'll use when you want your watermark to be based on a picture or graphic rather than plain text. If you already have a logo, branded image, or custom graphic prepared, this is where you'll bring it in. Next, click on Browse. This will open your file selection window so you can search your computer or device for the image you want to use. It's a good idea to choose an image that is clear and simple, since watermarks usually sit behind your content and should not make the text difficult to read. Then select the image from your device. Once you choose it, Google Docs will upload it and apply it as the watermark for the document. Depending on the image you selected, you may want to give it a moment to load fully, and that's it. Your watermark is now added to the Google Doc. If needed, you can review how it looks across the pages to make sure it fits well with your content. This is a great way to make your documents look more professional and easier to identify at a glance.